It's here. It's the new yellow iPhone 14. Let's check it out. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and Apple today released the yellow version of the iPhone 14. So we picked it up, the new yellow iPhone 14. Let's unbox it and take a look at it. So let's go ahead, open it up. This is the iPhone 14 in yellow. We have the iPhone on the front. We've got yellow iPhone printing on the sides, yellow Apple logos on the top and bottom. Otherwise, it's the same iPhone 14 that we've seen before. We can go ahead and remove our pull tabs here on the top and the bottom of the box to get to the iPhone within. Oh yeah, there it is, the yellow iPhone 14. This is a little bit more of a warmer yellow, like a very high saturation yellow. It's not like a Volt, it's not like a greenish yellow at all. It's definitely on the warmer side. You do have the glass back here, which is very glossy, kind of candy-like. The sides are aluminum, you can see those there. But basically everything the other iPhone 14s are. I really like the look of this phone. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of surprised that yellow was the colorway that Apple went with here. I didn't see a lot of like pent-up demand for a yellow iPhone compared to some of the other colors. We don't even have a green version this year. Maybe it's because they did that limited edition green last year. They were kind of sitting it out. But yellow looks really nice, but it's just kind of a surprise in terms of what they chose to do color-wise. By the way, you may have noticed this kind of cool wall thing I've got it going on here. Yeah. Let's thank our sponsor for this video. There are just those certain times when you find a sponsor that perfectly aligns with what you want to talk about, and in this case, it is ESR. ESR has just introduced this today when I'm putting the video out. This is the ESR Geo Wallet and Stand, and it is a MagSafe wallet that has fully built-in Find My capabilities, far better than the MagSafe wallet that Apple's put out. The wallet charges magnetically via these pogo pins and can give you 3 months of battery life on a single charge. Has a speaker built in so you can find it through the Find My app, and you'll even be able to get alerts if you leave it behind or if somebody else finds it for you. It connects to the back of any iPhone 12 or later just using MagSafe, and it's got an incredible 1500 G of pull. So this thing is really strong, which is awesome because they also have a built-in grip like this. Pops open, slide your finger through, hold your iPhone, move it around. It's so much easier to hold your iPhone this way. Really, really convenient. Check this out. This is so cool. I love it. I mean, it's so easy to be able to hold your iPhone at a grip. You're not going to drop it when you're using this thing. Plus, it is a full-on wallet. The cards pop out from the bottom, hold up to 3 cards, which is one more than Apple's wallet can hold. I can easily toss in my ID, my credit card, and a debit card into this all at once. And finally, it acts as a stand. The back pivots out just like that. You can use it vertically to take a FaceTime call or turn it horizontally and watch some videos, like catching up on the latest season of Ted Lasso before the new season drops this week. There's so many possibilities, but this is the only MagSafe wallet that builds in Apple's Find My technology, something that not even Apple's wallet can do. This thing is up for pre-order now on Kickstarter, and there's a link for it down below in the description. Thank you again to ESR for sponsoring this video. Now, let's go take another closer look at the yellow iPhone 14. Let's go ahead and boot up the phone. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Let's go ahead and boot up the phone. Apple has done these limited edition kind of colorways in the past. Last year we got new green versions of the iPhone 13 and a darker green version of the iPhone 13 Plus. The year before that we had a product red version of the iPhone 12. And in this year we have no Pro versions of anything, but we did get this yellow of the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus. So that's it. What do you guys think of the new iPhone 14 in yellow? Are you a fan of this color? Do you want Apple to do more vibrant colors in the future? As always, sound off down below in the comments and let me know what you think. Otherwise, you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned. I have a lot more videos coming your way.